My Christmas present has just arrived and I'm pretty pumped about it. I can't really wait. So what we have is an underground racing twin turbo making close to 1,000 wheel horsepower. You can start this vlog out, Tony, right here.
Merry
Look,
Christmas.
it says it from your face. Everybody needs to know that that's all it needs. Is just, we brought the Aventador. Listen, this body kit has been beautiful, but it has been giving us a lot of problems. I think the SVJ is such a beautiful looking car, but then at the same time, it's got a lot of aero.
Maybe the active aero does make a difference.
It does make a difference. Anyways, let's take some time to look at the beautiful showroom. Thank you, John, Terminal 8 on Instagram. He hooked us up. He let me use this Indy car. He lent us his Diablo. That's our Mercy, Gallardo, and that car over there. Okay, honestly, Edmund, it's cool. I drove it for the first time and I was like, this is actually a cool car. Don't tell anybody I said that, okay? My Christmas present has just arrived and I'm pretty pumped about it. I can't really wait. I've been waiting weeks for this. What?
Dad, I really want to give presents to people.
We give presents to people later in the afternoon. We can't give them right now because it's too early. People are coming over to the house at 12 o'clock and it's only 10:30.
Are we doing that at nighttime?
No, we're doing that in the afternoon. Christmas is in the afternoon. Anyways, let's go see what I bought myself for Christmas. So what we have is an underground racing twin turbo 4 GT making close to 1,000 wheel horsepower. So
Merry Christmas to Houston,
yeah,
Tony.
Merry Christmas is right.
I get a claim, you get a Ford GT.
Yes, sir. You get more work and I get to have fun. No, I'm just kidding.
Yikes.
We're going on a drive tomorrow when we all come back. Are you excited?
I'm really
Which car are you
excited.
going to take? Because you probably should take the Hellcat just so you can hang with me.
Right?
But maybe
Man.
you're going to have to take something else. Let's close this up and...
Wow.
Look at that. So there is only, now I think I'm going to tell you the numbers right, 12% of Ford GTs made are black. And only 5% of the 12% have no stripes. And only 2 have a turbo kit. So there's like, I don't know, 10 black striped elite cars, and 2 of them have a turbo kit. One's in California to one of my friends. He's real nice. He was selling his car too, but it was a Hefner kit. Nothing wrong with the Hefner kit, but I just prefer the look of the UGR kit if I had to pick one. This car is just stunning. Stunning. The paint's perfect. Everything is good. This car has literally 2,000 something miles on it. I am so pumped. I cannot wait to have fun with this. We got to get some rift wheels on here. Maybe we'll do something like that. Powder coat them in the meantime, but we got a 335 30/20. We're gonna go 355 25/21 on the new setup. Aventador size, it's gonna be super epic. So the brand new GT, which I've had for 14.9 miles is all I've driven this car, is already going under the knife. It's beautiful. We've even got the baby seat for Carly. We had a great time yesterday, and it was really, really fun. But I have some changes that I want to make. Now, this is a UGR Underground Racing twin turbo kit, but as you can tell from the blow-off valve wastegates, which you can't really see from this angle, this is a very, very old style kit. Nothing wrong with that. Piping is piping, but I'd like to do a little bit of a refresh, and I'd also like to change the turbos, because this car was set up for these 250 mile to 260 mile Texas long 2-mile runway things. So I'm not really doing that because we don't live in Texas, and I like to drive this car on the street. So we're gonna start to take this apart. Right now, Beer and I are taking the rear clamshell off. We've already got the lower diffuser off. Everything looks clean and clear. This is a very, very, very nice car. We've got tires from 2007 on this bad boy, and so those are gonna come off. We're gonna get the Rift wheels, and I don't know, just a plethora of more modifications as we always do. So right now, it's really, really, really good for us to just take it apart and assess what we're gonna do. It's gonna get heavy, and then we're just gonna pick it up so that I have towels under here.
You just hit it off from the inside, probably, right?
There.
Got it.
Okay, pop this up. Here you go.
Yeah, you were out.
Here. Yeah. Here. Put it right over there like that. So the normal stock header just comes to here, and then there's a muffler right here. I just take it off. There you go. Okay. Now you can very clearly see it. Super simple. We're just gonna throw some smaller turbos on this and do a little bit of a retune. Change these to something brand new. Change the wastegates down there to something brand new. And that's pretty much it.
And a Rift exhaust.
Yeah, and a Rift titanium exhaust. Yeah, looks good. Look at this thing. How stupid is this? It's so crazy to me. I love the Ricardo transmission. This gearbox they put, you know, on the Hennessy Venom GT. They put it on a couple of really, really big boy cars. And it's so funny how simple it is.
Who
But
built the turbo kit on this?
Underground Racing.
It's a UGR car, eh?
It is, but it's an OG UGR car. So, you know, nothing negative to say about that, but basically, you know, right here, where is the air coming from? Oh, it's coming from this. This is their intake system right here. So I believe there should just be a filter here because you can't hear the turbo whistle. And then once we change these out to a little bit smaller turbos, we'll get a lot more. Like right now, boost comes on at 4,000, which is really cool if you're doing Texas mile events because you got some big, big, big boy moves. But once the boost comes on, it's so powerful, you're sideways at 130, 140. You know, this is for obviously long ways. So if we take these down 25, 30%, we'll get boost in the 3,000 range, and it'll be a really fun street car at that point, which is good because I think that's
some
the
big
point.
turbos.
I know, you can see how big they are.
How much horsepower is this right now?
It's 1,000 wheel, but the boost curve is different. You know, the numbers are really crazy. Like you can say a Huracan twin turbo has 1,000 wheel, and this has 1,000 wheel. That Huracan will be a mile ahead of this car, right? Just because of the way it puts down the power. This isn't putting down the power in the right way that I want it to. So plus I wanted the power to go on the ship line.